Any man that conquers idolatry and immorality have solved 90% of his problem. But if you can stand on your own and stand pure, a man that have conquered immorality has conquered 90% of his battle.
Viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back again. This is Social Media Booze. I'm also Shinodu Peters. We are here to bring you one very controversial, trending situation. Nigeria will and the person at the center of it is a popular pastor, Christ, and a Nigerian actress, if I'm not mistaken. I have with me Bella to anchor this very conversation. Bella.
Hello, everybody. Yes, so now that they cook I went up by
good because up on the main road.
No, I just wine.
All right, we are talking about a man of God. Some people say God of man, but that is by the way. Pastor Chris is at the center of the controversy where a lady called him out after 7 years of relationship with him, ended up him marrying another woman instead of her. Then after that story, the woman have come forward recently to make her demands, dragging our pastor, Chris, to court.
All you care, let me know what is going on with my life. See this man fought me. My life has not been the same. I lost my younger brother. Now. Chris, no, this marriage will not work. Who are you leaving me for? After sharing my naked video, turning your own miscarriage, the miscarriage I had for you, turning into abortion. What do you think you want to leave me for, Chris? No, Chris, don't care for it. It will not work. Oh. No, you will kill me first before you make this marriage work. After destroying my life, what do you want to leave me for? You, Chris, no, it's not possible, Chris. Chris, it's not possible. I'm not recovered since. Yesterday, I almost committed suicide now. People don't know what I'm going to do. I behave normal to you people. Can you even see that I'm not okay? This man has misled my life and he wants to marry. It's not possible. No, nobody should. I lost my only brother. I can't prove juju. I can't prove witchcraft. He knows what he did. Because we are dragging money. My brother died though. No, Chris, no. No, Chris, this marriage will not work. You will kill me first. Who are you leaving me for? After all the sex? After everything? You think you can just marry? No, now, Chris, no, it will not work. After destroying my life. Do you know how I'm barely surviving? Was I like this when you met me? Can't you people say that I'm not okay? I don't want to go. If you like, tell me anything you want to tell me. This did a lot though. You carried my miscarriage video, pregnancy I had for you. You brought it down to the world and said it was an abortion. Then who do you want to leave me for? Chris, no, Chris, it will not work. No, now. No, you have to kill me. What am I living for now? You have taken everything away from me. You took away the only brother that I live with. You took him away. I can prove spirituality. But you know the truth. Since that time, I have not been okay. Do I behave okay to you people? Am I not mad? No, Chris, it will not happen. After destroying my life like this, and you want to marry? No, you will not. No, you will kill me that day. You will ready to kill me. Be ready to kill me, Chris Okafor. Be ready to kill me because I will not let it happen. Even if you go abroad and come back, I will drag your wife. I will come to the church and hold your wife. You will not know why you leaving me for. Who will marry me now? After everything, Chris Okafor, after promising me marriage and disgracing me like this, turning my life upside down, you want to marry? No, now. I deactivated my account because I saw the video and it's not adding up to me. It's not adding up. It's broken my heart. My heart is broken. You have to kill me first, Chris Okafor. No, now. Since 2017, we've been dancing. You want to leave me and marry who? Who are you leaving me for? Who are you leaving me for? When I got married, you cried that I should leave the man. I left the man and came out. Who are you going to marry me for? Who are you leaving me for? Who will marry me? After sharing my My miscarriage video turned into abortion. Your lawyer carried the video and gave to my lawyer. My sex video with you. You carried my body. I sent it to your lawyer. Your lawyer sent it to another lawyer. I sent it to my lawyer. After sharing my body publicly, who do you want to leave me for that, Chris Okafor? No, I don't care what anybody says now. That marriage will not hold. Though. That marriage will not hold. No, it's not possible. After destroying my life like this, was I behaving like this when you met me? Was I okay? Do you think I think I am okay? Can't you guys see that since I lost my brother, I'm not okay? And you think you can leave me and marry who? Not like Chris says it like, it don't work. Don't work.
I saw it on Twitter. I told you that they say they will pay some people if they have paid you. Because you put a Suleiman boy. When he called me yesterday, after Chris now my ex-boyfriend, I don't lie. Before Chris go beg me rich, he go buy me house. Now when I date for 7-8 years, he leave me married. Since 2017, you know, give me money. The only money where I collect from that man, I 300,000. Now you say, you know, go. My lawyer, they write my demands. No, they make me look like I know they demand anything. My lawyer is writing my demand. This man told me to leave my marriage. This man left me like this, shattered. And he wants to marry. No, now he go settle me now, bro. Calm down. No, they talk like that. My lawyer is writing my demands. No, be that voice. I knew when Cassie was talking to me that he was going, D1, calm down. The money where they give you, collect some. They do the damage control, they go. I know it's not my right that they ask for. Now 9 years, I be 7 years of knocking. 3 back to back. Now you say make you no give me anything, you just marry like that. No, forget. Cassie Chikwatelan now. Because Cassie gonna approach me. Say they want make money from me. I said, no, who na go make money. If you listen to that voice, who na go make money if you na want make with Christo. But me, now house he go buy for me. He say how many house I won't get. Say if Dada talk to me, say I go calm down. If Chris settle me, buy me house. What say I dey stop a marriage for now? Guy, calm down. My lawyer they put the demand. My lawyer is coming out soon. Forget this damage control. Now dead on arrival. No need of ask me. Come ask me. I go talk and say for. I will tell you. This is what they say. I don't know, man. Like at this point, you don't understand. 2017, brother died. I go sell. I don't go make demands. Now, like by Stamasha, when I say they no say we don't demand, write our demand. Calm down. Our demand they come. It's in the law. You go buy me house.
But one video that is still under contention, I want to bring it to you as well, where Pastor Chris was saying a particular thing, reflecting this very situation.
Any man that conquers idolatry and immorality have solved 90% of his problem. That you don't bow down to money. No matter what happens, you say the truth, you do the right thing, you have conquered the enemy. The immorality, a man that can stay and keep himself from sexual sin. Because when we say sin, sometimes we say sin, oh, sin is sin. Sin is not sin. There are sins higher than others. Jesus said, every other sin, he said, some sins can be forgiven. He said, but you see the one that will betray the Son of Man, it's better that that one is not born. That means there are sin higher than sin. And in the same vein, he said, he that committed adultery or fornication sinned against his own body. We are in a world full of different Babylonian systems, in a very corrupt and wicked world. But if you can stand on your own and stand pure, there is no way you cannot command things. One of your biggest prayers is that, Lord, keep me pure, never to be corrupt. A man that have conquered immorality has conquered 90% of his battle. No matter what the enemy do to you, you will win.
Perhaps that is his response to why he never married the woman. But that's by the way. Can bring here another woman. Can was here in the center of the table. Can I drag here this issue? For instance, now maybe Pastor Chris. You are the woman.
Doris.
Hey, Doris.
Doris.
No, I was in the picture. Okay, do you, to start with, what is your stand? Let me just hear your stand first.
First of all, my stand is this woman
on the aspect of the woman.
She's a grown-ass person. You know, of course, you know what you're getting yourself into. There is never a time that guy did that genuine with her to marry her. I think she's there for the what she's going to get. So at the end of the day, she did not get that thing. That's why she's dragging the man.
Okay.
You get, because on the other part, the guy is fake too. He's preaching what he's not practicing. Because a man of God should be leading by example. How can you be leading by example? I'm telling somebody not marriage another person to come out from what the woman is telling. These people are too. I'm not even mad. Two worst people.
To
Somebody.
meet each other.
Somebody. Well, I would say that they are birds of the same. More like, because the other guy, Anna Noboa Rappo, is he not a person? Like, you are married to somebody. I say, okay, get Patasia.
That is the place I have issue.
You get.
How can
you be married to a person?
No, you are married to somebody, and somebody called you out of it.
Come out.
That means they're already in archaeology.
That's what I'm saying.
While she was still,
that's why I say
marriage.
that is birds of the same feather, because this person is I don't know whether he's been married before or he's probably a single person, because Wayan is married.
That is his first time.
Yes.
Or at the point of I think the guy was a bachelor. And then I'm gonna attribute some of these ladies. Some of the ladies.
Guys.
And they are from them pompo de cam.
And the Malta Guinness.
I just on that side. Now me put them pa. No, the truth of the matter is that
tall and handsome and
I just say tall, handsome, broad shoulder, this, and the only point the man has already attained public figure. He has attained popularity from the pulpit. You understand? So the guy got. And all prayer point a lot of people. And I think if I end up this girl be actually this guy.
And we can
I'm telling you.
Make it advances. The guy are done.
No. About the advance. Only what dragging the guy down. They were dragging the guy into it. May the guy get you a more the audacity is here. From your relationship.
Hold on.
Before we can puchali, one amateur category.
Do you know there?
One amateur category from marriage.
Hold on. Do you know there was a text? She later gave a screenshot from their conversation. You get, he was telling my love, my king, my this one. Just like you're saying, most women, when they go to pastors, they become something else. That's in Oboro to the husband. They want to be to the pastor.
Oboro also the pastor. Only a fat people go that thing inside their head.
Lose when they
they think from their head. No, not even from their head again. I don't know where they think from. But they built a kind of life. The kind of man or child. And the mother for actually, you must show me.
She said that she doesn't, at this point, she doesn't have any shame.
No. Shame you can
hold on.
You can
imagine, sometimes
me about the woman street I friendly.
Yeah, the guy lit in a 5-way road, because how do you feel as a guy man? You went and married somebody like this, and 2 to 3 years later, put her in public, say I was sleeping with, and he told me to come out of my marriage,
and he came out.
And my brother died. Like.
Even working at very cow. Who work with children there?
I don't think.
Matured woman.
Grown.
Onya can go 30 years born and made this nonsense.
Onya is probably heading to mid-40s.
I'm telling you.
Because, and your brother died, and that same brother died, and you were still. I think this woman is or something out of, and is money or property.
No, often say that no blue girl run. So say back last. Come here, get it or yeah. Come here, call drag this man. And she have been doing it inside, trying to see, okay, since you say you are not going to marry, you're going to settle. And I'm a weekend is for about that now, even when the man is married, she continued to knock the man. Archaeology must have continued.
And this is not. This is not the. This is not the only pastor that has been dragged online for such character. Most of these people. That's why you have to see. People have always joined the bandwagon of rushing to this particular man of God. Onya na-ewu enuluje. This person is trending enuluje. That is the more reason why people should worship you. See, go to God personal. You need to have a personal relationship. Most of these people, look at 2 to 3 years later, after is you can't.
Let me tell you, why have always fallen vulnerable. Did I say they are falling vulnerable to the so-called priests?
No,
In other places, all the denominations. This
is a serious scandal.
No. Ndị etelu mmanụ biko eso wete mgbadaba mmanụ echomoso isi ka na-ete odogwu na-esi ete odogwu edetekwa odogwu mmanụ o ọ gwasị isi ka a na-awụ mmanụ efu mgbada a ada etekwu ya mmanụ.
I get that we
they know they anoint that downstairs.
Human beings.
It's only the head they anoint.
But hold on.
But this woman will not allow these men to flow with the anointing.
These people are making cheating normal. I get that people tend to be weak or you grow out of love with your partner. But you can't tell me that namadu fiya sana bonanya. Of course, you can't tell me that this guy other for what is going on now.
Or the kokial. Hey!
Why this STDs does not end?
STD. Na nsogbu dị. That na ụmụ nwaanyị ekwe ndị etelu mmanụ ka ba lụọ ọrụ Chukwu kpọọ okwu. Onye Chukwu kpọsọ ụmụ nwaanyị na court ya.
Ụmụ nwoke nkọ. Ọkwasị na the man si ya pụtaba.
Man, to be honest with you, that woman will say anya drag this guy into it. Because also that man would the only man awful. Go. So and you'll be surprised.
Hi.
Let me tell you, you'll be surprised that even the man on may even have and providing enough as a man, roof over the head, food, and school children, and the responsibility. Man, these days. These days, you go I can exceptions. But the truth of the matter is that most of the women these days, sometimes the way they reason, and I wonder, I can see a reason. You know? And the matured one, oh, not for matured ladies here, for that kind of a thing. But in this one, normal, maybe
okay, hold on. For 7 years, you were only collecting 300,000.
It's scratched out 300,000.
Yeah, is that for recharge?
That no, it is maybe abroad for knocking payment.
Which means,
listen,
hold on.
She came in.
You know, they say men care for what they like, and for men to care, they provide. Which means he wasn't providing. She was just throwing herself to the guy.
I can't give her. If listen, why no open in the Hanamaya? I'm going for you. I'm going what 10 days she can do. I don't need even to know or see her physically.
And also, I know where to go. She even
see to that point.
Yes.
Hello, me guano. Nanka Maurona, Oputolokbo.
Hi. That's what I was telling you. You can imagine the man.
For the pastor.
For the pastor.
Hey,
you know, the king's men and almost Mia. You know, I get that you are.
This was sold their chain.
You know, Mandina. No, come on now.
Because the guy got a good money.
You don't have shame. Don't you have shame for your family, for even your dead brother too?
Yeah, anyway, I don't want to go there. Well, and the thing has been going on.
Hi, God.
And this is a lesson, not just for males, but for females.
So, for one, you're going to go your property. So, any one building somewhere in Aja or somewhere in Abia State, is it enough for the kind of shame?
She is acquired. Shame ya draw or what?
The energy this lady puts in this state.
Listen, shame ya or what? Afum Kayana. That the freeze in a program on this issue. Everywhere she's appearing on every place. And if you go couldn't have BVI, normally I am not called the Aoka. My name go for due to the internet trend in social media, and they listen to everybody, including myself.
As a man, because sooner than if most times like
listen, let me tell you one thing. I have to say this because
okay,
and it's a lesson to women. I see no more the sheep. Any woman can make a man.
Now, let
me tell you something.
Hi, Lord.
Men are not foolish. Men are not stupid. Let me tell you. I say now, okay, now, if a man is going after a woman to woo a woman and to bring her down in bed. No, they take some struggle. But women are priding themselves that they can easily get any man down to bed. No more get weak. And they weak as an emphasis. Men are no weak. That you brought yourself to the point that now, for a man, nature invited this man called Dalai. Moke did not fall for you because you were so seductive or because he was so cheap. Moke naturally is built to explore.
But the guy, the customer to up.
Listen, he develop Moke 10. He develop Moke 10 at different sports. Figure out test ya. Anya nekwe Moke na mentesi except Monko Odoguye Adaku arise or compete. I'm telling you honestly, I will not the national anthem. Man on Moke have wake or ya fiaro. Yeah? Because Moke is built. A man is built to explore. To explore. So any opportunity of exploration, Moke discharge his natural instinct. So other fall because not the weak. Even sometimes all the one that Moke one year, who knows he seduce you, knows that you nike. What's it called?
I get
that.
Women can as well feel like that too.
That's what I'm saying. So they shouldn't attribute it to weakness of men falling easily for women. No, but I want to get Moke down on bed. Just like this pastor with all his anointing has said. Moke will explore. Now, if what is being anointed, I say it. But the head. No,
not his body.
I say body. As in the head. So women should take note. And that is what I have to say. Even though this if you have anything to say on this issue, drop it on the comment section. I have said my mind. Have you said your mind?
Yes, I've said my mind.
Okay, will you also you?
Yes, I want to say something. Because most times, women, I don't know why the attraction when it comes to men of God. Is it the money? Or is it the power?
Exactly.
You know, most times they say that women are attracted to money. Well, you go Gairu now. Yeah, what?
If you have ego. Transactional relationship, we are going to look into it.
I feel bad for the previous man.
Feel so bad for him. Okay, mother can I want to whenever can school after an idea. Proceed testimony. No. The man proceeded Thanksgiving. Because on the now balog. If we go in why no nadi. On us are saying now oh the woman Jackie the guy. Where you say suggest I get to come out.
Ojipudonia say that she doesn't have shame. That she doesn't have shame.
My people go back also were there with
anyhow you feel, drop it on the comment section. Let's the conversation continue because I know people have a lot of things to say about this thing. On your obona, the dirty linen, pour it on the comment section. I need it.
So you are watching and reading.
Yes.
Their comments. And we're responding to them.
Yeah.
We'll continue on this conversation and we're going to take this program higher when we enter the new year. Please, in this season, have a reason to stay safe. Bye-bye for now.